Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Taiwo Adele. This is Ileunje Nigerian Food House. Today I'll be taking you guys through my 5 minutes smoothie recipe. How I get it done under 5 minutes. Thing you want to do, wash your hands. Then I get right away into it. Of course I use my hands to get everything done so I can move quickly. That's one. I get my kale into it. Then I get some spinach. I already know how much a quantity, so just go right into it. Then next I had some blueberries right away. Then the creamer, it's almond creamer. By the way, all of these are organics. I love eating organic stuff, so prefer eating one good quality than too many. Move to the next one. Move right away to strawberry. See, just get my hands, use my hand, put 2 strawberries in it. Yeah, right away. Then I go to ginger, a little bit of ginger, because I love the smell of ginger in my smoothie. I love the taste as well. So I go right away. Yeah, this right here, I have to use knife, too bad. I can't use my finger to peel the ginger. Yeah, no. There you go. And I had my ginger into it. Then I go into the avocado right away. Yeah. Sometimes I just use a quarter of the avocado depending on how much I want. Well, it's easier when the avocado is like very ripe, especially. Yeah, just have to do that. Yeah. Yeah, these are the reasons, one of the reasons why you should wash your hands because of stuff like this, especially if you're using your hands, especially with the present situation. Next, I move to banana. I usually don't use knife, I just use my hand. See, as you can see, just break it. There, break little pieces. Yeah, pop. Yeah, pop, pop. And I go right away. Wash a little bit on my hands. There's a mess right there. Get it off. Dry my hands. Go right away. Back inside. Lastly, I add a little bit of my yogurts. Oh yes, it's probiotic, it's organic, I love my probiotic stuffs right away. I could just add a little bit of the creamer. Yeah. And there you go. And there you go. Like I said, under 5 minutes, get my smoothie done. That's it. See, you like how it looks? Do you like it? See? Yeah, I love it too.